Okay, I'm outside. I'm all good now, okay? I'll just be heading back home so I can go build my Squeakosaurus Rex.
But we just got here, Hal. Now come on, let's go for a nice walk and let nature help you feel better.
Ugh, this is so unfair. I should be inside with my Squeakosaurus Rex.
Why don't we just focus on other things for a while, Hal?
Like what?
How about the gentle breeze blowing on your face?
Oh, hey, that does feel kind of nice. That kind of tickles.
Now take a deep breath through your nose and tell Dr. Daisy what you smell.
Ooh, I smell fresh cut grass.
Ah, grass!
Oh, and I smell lavender.
Ooh, lavender!
I smell lilacs. And lilies of the valley.
I always like to smell flowers for my nature dose. The scent just clears my head and makes me feel so happy and naturey and all at the same time. You know what I'm saying, Hal?
I sure do, Daisy. Did you hear that?
Ooh, I heard it. It was the spring peeper.
Well, it sounds to me like a squeak toy. I gotta get back home. I need to finish Squeakosaurus Rex.
Hold on, Hal. Let Dr. Daisy do a follow-up examination. Oh, no, you're not cured yet.
I'm not?
Nope, you need a stronger dose of nature. Or maybe just a different kind of dose. Everybody's different.
Yep, all right, this feels good. Nature worked. Now it's time to go back home and finish up my Squeakosaurus Rex. Bye, nature.
Not yet, Hal. First, just lie here and feel your weight sink into the grass.
Ah, yeah, man, this is how I do my nature dose. Relaxing in the grass. Forget your troubles. Come on, get happy.
That is relaxing.
Nature is just what the doctor ordered. Oh, hey, look at the clouds. Watching the clouds gently float by is my nature prescription.
Hey, that cloud looks like a kite.
Oh, and that one looks like a train.
Oh, those clouds look like
Cheese! Yeah, cheese cloud!
This was a great idea, Dr. Daisy. Hal seems very relaxed.
Oh, look, that cloud looks just like... Wait, it looks just like Squeakosaurus Rex. Oh, I gotta go.
Wait, Hal, you clearly haven't had enough nature yet.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I have to go finish Squeakosaurus Rex.
Wait, guys, Hal needs more nature.
we have to stop him.
Tally-ho! Come back, Hal!
No way, you can't catch me.
Oh, yes, we can.
Ah, can't catch me. Huh, pretty good with bushes, huh? But how are you with trees? You can't catch me.
We're right behind you, Hal.
Time to swing. Whee!
What else you got, Hal?
How about a slide? Yippee! Oh, this is so muddy and awesome.
We are so gonna catch you!
Not if you can't find me.
You don't mean...
Why, yes, I do mean hide and go seek.
It's hide and go seek, you guys! We're playing hide and go seek with Hal!
Hal! Oh, Hal! Not Hal.
Picking up your scent, Hal. You're not Hal, but you are cute.
Hal! Come out wherever you are.
Huh?
Gotcha!
Oh, boy. I love hide and go seek. Oh, can I be it now? Can I please, can I be it now?
Sure, but first, tell Dr. Daisy how you feel.
I feel great. I mean, all this running around and playing outside gives me so much energy, and it makes me feel happy, and it cleared up my fuzzy brain. This is definitely the kind of nature dose I need.
Sweet! I told you nature would help you feel better.
Yep, next time you have a fuzzy brain, viva la nature!
But, what about the you-know-what?
No, you know what? What? Who?
You know, the Squeakosaurus Rex.
I'll finish it later. Right now, I need a little more outside. Yay! Now you guys go hide and I'll count. I hope I don't hide by accident and forget. I do that a lot sometimes.